Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Trello to GitHub for PR to card workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Trello to GitHub for a pull request to card workflow, start by opening your Trello board. Next, log in to your GitHub account. Now, navigate to your Trello board where you want to set up the integration. Locate the menu on the right side of your board. Click on Power UPS in the menu. In the Power UPS directory, search for GitHub. Once you find the GitHub power-up, click on Add. After adding the power-up, you will be prompted to authorize the connection. Click on the Authorize button to connect your GitHub account with Trello. You may be redirected to a GitHub authorization page. Select the repositories you want to connect with your Trello board. Grant necessary permissions and click Authorize Application. Return to your Trello board after successfully authorizing GitHub. Now, you need to link specific cards to GitHub issues or pull requests. Open the card you want to connect with GitHub. Look for the GitHub option in the card menu. Select Attach a pull request to link the pull request to this card. You will be shown a list of your recent pull requests. Choose the pull request you want to attach and click Attach. Now the pull request is linked to your Trello card. You can also add GitHub commits to the card by using the same GitHub option. This enhances tracking and visibility for your development workflow. Whenever a pull request is made, it will now reflect on the linked Trello card. This integration helps maintain an organized and efficient project management system. You have successfully connected Trello to GitHub for a seamless pull request to card workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.